Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, it's Anthony here. One of my members asked me if the Aussie dollar paired with the US dollar was an opportunity to buy on this pullback down into this 4-hour order block. My thing with this is be careful on Mondays. I think there's a song about that. Someone didn't like Mondays apparently. Mondays can be tricky. Market makers are definitely looking to entice retail traders into the market to their advantage, not to our advantage. The thing about this chart, if we just take it out to the daily, is, I mean, look, the market is looking for two things. It's seeking liquidity for one thing. It's looking for liquidity. And the other thing is it's looking for price gaps. Now, if you have a look at this chart, this big candle here, this thin leg, candle left, candle right. Okay, I'm just marking up the high and the low of these candles left and right, pulling it out, and we have a fair price gap here. The market will look to trade through, looking to rebalance. This is the balance area down here. And at the moment, we've got a decent gap between where this impulsive move kicked off to where it's currently trading. Be careful. So on the daily, I've got this accumulation zone marked up blue here, this price gap marked up here. If we go down to the 4-hour then with that kind of idea in mind, there's a potential for this to trade down through here. I'm not looking to short it, but if it does trade down into this zone around here, I'd be looking then to see if we get a base forming and an opportunity to buy. That's the opportunity I'd be looking for. So for me, that's out, especially on a Monday. And let's just see how this thing shapes up. Watch out for the manipulation that goes on early in the week. This could trade up and trap traders in, buy long, and then all of a sudden they tank it down into these levels here. They're looking for liquidity and to fill gaps, right? So the market needs to rebalance. We've got this area down here, this balance area down here. So that's, to me, definitely a point of interest. There's the gap, trades through that, looks for liquidity. You'll find liquidity resting under here and all through here. I mean, we've got a lot of buy side activity going on here. Where are the stops? Under. Just be careful. This is ripe for the picking. All through here and under here. So I wouldn't be touching that. If it trades down into these levels here, then I'm looking for the setup and to see if we get an opportunity to go long. So that's my take on the Aussie dollar, guys. By the way, if you haven't already, join my Discord group. The link is below. Love to see you in there. I'm in there from the Asian session right through London, and there's a lot going on in there. Good value. With that, I hope you have a great day. Just be careful with this one at the moment, and see you in the next video.